Advantage and disadvantages of foreign currency convertible bond. What are the advantages and what are the disadvantages? So mostly advantages of foreign convertible bonds are it give a investor a flexible to convert bond into equity. But these are all kind of bonds where usually issued for only, or it is not issued simply. After the point of time, they receive equity. So when they believe so they will receive equity, they will invest it. They don't worry about the investment, they will invest in it. Second thing, it leads a delayed dilution of equity. So when they issued equity, whether the company should be listed. If not listed, na, that's create a problem for them, right? Yes. So if not listed, na, they don't like it. And FCCB, the foreign currency convertible bonds are easily marketable. If it is being listed, you can easily liquidate it. The disadvantages, exchange risk is more in FSB. What is a sir, I bought this bond in one country. That country bond should be marketable. If the currency of that country is falling or any problem with the country, example, sanction is now being laid on Russia. So people are being afraid to buy Russian companies. Such kind of things. Creation of more debt and outgo of interest in foreign exchange. So creating more debts, that creates a problem. This is what is known as disadvantages of FCCB. Yeah, when you go for rather than equity if you go for it, it's very secure. You are responsible for, you don't need to pay any interest every month. Only performance is mandatory. But if you go for debt, you are obligated to pay interest. If not, that will create a problem for your going concern. So this is what a main disadvantages of the foreign currency convertible bond.